Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp Web not syncing with your Android device. First, refresh the WhatsApp web page. Sometimes a simple refresh is all it takes to resolve syncing issues. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure both your phone and computer are connected to a stable network. If that doesn't help, restart your phone. Turning it off and back on can clear minor glitches affecting the connection. Also, restart your computer or browser to refresh the system and eliminate temporary issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies, as outdated data can interfere with WhatsApp Web's performance. Make sure both your WhatsApp app and web version are updated to the latest versions to avoid bugs. Disable any browser extensions or VPNs that could be interfering with WhatsApp Web. If syncing still fails, log out and log back into WhatsApp Web. This can force a fresh connection. Finally, if needed, rescan the QR code to establish a new link between your phone and browser. And that's it. Following these steps should fix syncing issues between WhatsApp Web and your Android device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.